My name is Larry Tunseth. I'm a graphic design student at Portland State University. This is a mobile application UX and UI design project for Design 340. The name of the application I will be showing you today is called QuickLists Pro. It's a list-keeping application designed to make the process of sharing, editing, and using shopping lists simple and intuitive. I was given the constraint of keep a list of something for this project. Being that is a fairly limiting constraint, I decided to keep it simple and make my project a grocery list tracking application. My goal was to make an application that allows users to keep track of their groceries while also being able to share and collaborate on lists with other users. The app also needed to allow users to check off items from lists while they shop. In order to understand a prospective user for my app, I compiled positive and negative reviews from similar list-keeping applications. From this data, I was able to generate some valuable insights, such as users not liking when bought items remain in their list and wanting more share and collaboration features. I was able to use this information to generate a prospective user from my app. Here you can see the user persona for Ryan Knowles. Ryan is a 40-something-year-old father of 3 living in Beaverton, Oregon. He and his family live a very active life and they don't always have time for running errands and grocery shopping. Ryan really helped me frame my understanding and design an application that works well for busy families that would benefit from a grocery list app that allows them to collaborate and use lists remotely. The next step was to plot out all the ways a user could navigate through a list-keeping app. I did this by creating some user flows. Here we can see the steps and actions a user might take while in the app. Through refining my user flow, I was able to create a series of design wireframes. These wireframes only included main functionality and page flow, but did not contain any stylistic choices. After creating a prototype with my design wireframes, I created a user test and gained some feedback. Some things I found out through this test were: the landing library page is a bit nondescript and the user might not know what to do. There is not enough distinction between remove and bought. How can swipe features be involved to make this app more usable? Once I was comfortable with the functionality and flow of the application, I was ready to begin making choices about color, typography, and mood. I compiled a few different concept boards, each with a unique mood and color scheme, and used them to gain feedback from classmates. I integrated the strongest design choices into my wireframes and was able to generate some high-fidelity mockups. Here you can see a few pages from the application showing color, type, and layout choices. Next, I'll run you through a quick prototype demonstration of my application QuickLists Pro. In this presentation, the user will run through the process of creating a new list, adding items to a list, sharing lists, and making them collaborative, and finally, checking off items from a list while they shop. I'm going to run you through a quick demonstration of QuickLists Pro. Here's the user library page. We want to create a new list, so we do that by clicking the top button up here or the new list button at the bottom. Here you want to title your list. So let's say the user entered in snack run. We'll click OK. Now we have the snack run list. Let's add an item to it. We have 2 ways of adding items, either search or manual entry. For now, we'll use the search function. After entering in sour cream and onion, we have a bunch of different entries that pop up. We want the Ruffles brand, so let's click that one. Now we have 1 bag of chips in our snack run list. Fantastic. But we want 2 bags of chips. So let's click on the quantity box up in the top left. And now we can change the amount of chips we have in there. Let's add another bag of chips. Now, by clicking away, we can see that there's 2 bags of chips in there now. We go back to our library screen and can see that the snack run list is in there. We want to go to the Friendsgiving list now. We see that there's Doritos in this list. That doesn't fit with the other things we want to grab at the store. So let's remove that. We do that by swiping right. That immediately deletes it from the list. We want to add a friend into the list now so they can pick up the food. We click share, and from our share list we already have Karen Evans. We click Karen Evans, and we say yes, make it collaborative. Here we can see our Friendsgiving list with now the collaborative icon top right. We go back and see Friendsgiving list still reflects the collaborative icon. We want to go back to snack run now, as we want to grab food from the store right now. We needed one more item. We needed a drink. We couldn't find it in the search, so we'll have to manually enter it. We enter the product name, which is Orange Exuberance, brand, yerba mate, quantity 1, and then we put the image in. This could either be a link or a local file. We create, and now we have 1 orange exuberance yerba mate in our list. Currently, we're at the store, so we're going to grab everything on our list. Picking things up off the list is the same as deleting, except you swipe the opposite direction. Here we'll swipe to the left. As you can see, now the chips are a ghost item, reflecting that you picked them up. We'll do the same thing with the yerba mate. Fantastic. Now a modal pops up asking us if we're done shopping. We'll click Done Shopping. Fantastic. Now you can see that the snack run list has disappeared as it has been checked off. If we go to the list history, we can see snack run in there still. Overall, I view this project as a success. I both improved my user interface and user experience design skills while creating an application that I truly think could be very useful with a few more edits and revisions. Future opportunities include trending shopping lists, calorie and nutrient information, pantry stock tracker, dark theme, and to-do lists. Thank you for watching my presentation, and I hope you have a nice day.